Okay, hello guys. So we are going to be converting binary to denary. That's today's topic. We're going to be converting binary numbers to a base 10 number. So let me write a question out. Okay, convert 1011 base 2. Oh, I think I have to write that myself. Okay, to a number or to denary. Let's write it that way. So convert 1011 base 2 to denary. So that's the question. So how do we do that? In a simple way, first thing I want us to do is put raised to power for each of these numbers. So we have 4 numbers there, 1 0 1 1. So I'm going to start with 0 right here, 1 2 3, or better still, let me write the question out properly. 1 0 1 1. Then here this one will be raised to power 0. That is, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anytime we multiply by 1, we still get the same thing. This one will be 1. Then we have 2, we have 3. So in any case where you want to convert to base 10 or to denary numbers, this is the first step that you need to do. So what am I going to do now? Because I'm doing base 2, because I'm doing a binary, I'm converting a binary number. So I'm going to take the numbers one after the other and multiply it by the binary number. So 1 times 2. So I'm going to multiply it by the base of whatever number that I'm converting. So 1 times 2. So for example, if my question is 1 4 base 5. So if I want to convert this, I'm going to do 1 times 5. I'm going to do 1 times 5. I believe you understand that. So because we are converting binary numbers, so I'm going to use 1 times 2. So that's what I'm trying to explain there. So now, so I've written 1 times 2 raised to power. What is that? I believe you know that. So we have raised to power 3, because it's 3 that is there at the top. So because we are starting from our left hand side, I'm going to start from here, this particular one that is here. Then I'm going to add it to the next number, which is 0 times 2. I'm going to continue using 2 to multiply it, raised to power. So I think we know that 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, then plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So we're going to solve the one with the raised to power first. So I'm going to do 1 times, this one is 2 into 3 places, that is 2 times 2 times 2, then plus, I'm doing this now, 0 times 2 times 2. So let me put those in the bracket. So this is my 2 raised to power 3, this is my 2 raised to power 2, plus 1 times 2. That is, we have a single 2 like that, 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 times, so any number raised to power 0, I believe everybody should I want to use this opportunity to tell you that, so any number raised to power 0 will give you 1. So any number at all, even if you have 1 million and 44 whatever, anytime it is raised to power 0, it will be 1. Even if a letter is raised to power 0, maybe p raised to power 0, in mathematics is going to be 1. So take note of that. So 1 times 2 then plus 1 times 1, that is 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So here I'm going to have 1 times 2 times 2 times 2, I have 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So we have simplified this. So 1 times 8 gives us 8 plus 0 times 4 gives us 0 plus 1 times 2 gives us 2 plus 1 times 1 gives us 1. So my final answer will be 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. So that will be 11 base 10. So that is how to successfully convert binary numbers to a denary numbers. So if there's any question, I'll be in my comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.